Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by visiting the official Lust Goddess website directly. Type the URL into your browser and look for a dedicated promotions or offers section, usually found in the footer or main menu. This is where the game developers post their current active promo codes. Step 2. Follow Lust Goddess on all their social media platforms including Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. Developers frequently release exclusive promo codes to followers as rewards or during special events, and social media is often where you'll find them first before they hit the general public. Step 3. Join the official Lust Goddess community Discord server or forums. Active gaming communities often share working promo codes with members, and moderators sometimes drop exclusive codes that aren't available anywhere else online. Step 4. Check popular gaming coupon websites like RetailMeNot and Honey. These platforms have user-submitted promo codes for tons of games and apps, and you can filter by the most recent and highest-rated codes to find the ones that actually work. Step 5. Subscribe to the game's newsletter or mailing list. Many developers send exclusive promo codes directly to email subscribers as a way to keep players engaged and coming back regularly to the game.